So Wayne, what we want to... Wayne, what are you doing?
I'm seeing into the future.
Into the future?
I'm seeing how many views our YouTube channel has in the future.
Wow. Oh, Wayne, could you tell me? I'll write it down right here. Okay.
I see...
Yeah?
8...
That's not very good, Wayne. If you just get 8, we should...
0...
Oh. That's a bit better.
I'm not finished.
You're not finished. Okay.
0...
Yep.
0...
Yep.
0...
Yep.
0...
Yep.
0... 0... 0...
Wayne,
0...
Wayne,
0...
Wayne,
0...
Wayne. Let's get a better way of writing this. It's just loads of zeros.
I think that's called standard...
Standard form, yeah.
That's what we're on to next.
Alright, so what was it, by the way?
8 times 10 to the 12.
Oh, okay.
It goes up after that and we get a contract by Simon Cowell, but who knows?
Alright, okay. So, standard form. As you can tell, it's an easy way of writing down really big numbers or really little numbers.
Yes, by putting them as a number between 1 and 10 and times 10 to the power of something. So if I give you an example,
Okay.
67,000. Please express this in standard form, sir.
Okay, so the first step, between 1 and 10, so 6.7.
It's the only option you could have in this case.
Yep, and then you just count how many numbers are after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will be times 10 to the 4. That's pretty much as simple as that.
You can go the other way.
You can go the other way, alright.
0.0001 in standard form.
Okay, so again, like before, between 1 and 10, so it'd be 1. Now you count how many times you have to times it that way to get there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can put 1 times 10 to the minus 4, because then you go that way to get to it.
Yes, that's right.
But it doesn't stop there, does it, Wayne?
No, although this is B grade stuff to get it to the right numbers,
Yeah.
it sometimes likes to do more saucy things.
It
for
does.
The A grade.
It likes to
the
tie
stretching
things
challenge.
together, yeah.
If I give you a mean example,
All right,
mean as
okay.
it's going to get.
As mean as it's going to get. Are you getting a red pen? I'll get a black pen.
Red pen out, red pen out. I'll just rub this out quickly.
Oh,
just
that's
get
good.
more room. If I give you 7 times 10 to the 5
Uh-huh.
times 3,000
Okay.
and express the final answer in standard form.
I think that's a good plan, Wayne. Right, there's a few steps to this one. First, I want an answer in standard form, but that's not in standard form, is it, Wayne?
No, and it's always a good step to get everything involved in standard form. That's in
Yep.
standard form, so that must become standard form.
I think that's a good plan. So you have 7 times 10 to the 5 times 3 times 10 to the 3.
1, 2,
Absolutely. Now, I think a good step, the next bit, is to separate our numbers and our times 10 to the Houdin flip.
Yes, love it. So, something you should know about multiplication, it doesn't matter which order
It
you
doesn't.
multiply them in. So there's a logical way you can do this.
You can. So we have our 3 times 7 in one bracket times our sets of things. The brackets aren't necessary, it makes it easier to see.
That's right.
Like that.
So because of the times here, you don't need
You
to
don't,
write
you
that
don't, I don't really need that one, sorry.
3 times 7 is
That's
as simple as
21.
it is.
Yep.
It's 21. And that's going to be times. Now you'll notice these are the same base, so what's our rule there, Trev?
Well, we can add the indices together, Wayne, it becomes 10 to the 8. But we're not finished yet.
That isn't in standard form. The
It's
number
not.
has to be between 1 and 10, and this is 21.
So 2.1, and then we add 1 to the new power, so it becomes times 10 to the 9.
And that's as evil as they might get.
It is as evil. So once you understand what standard form is, you're pretty much plain sailing.
And it is just a way of expressing numbers as lazily as you can, so you don't have to write it all out.
Yeah, that's what maths is about.
And the only thing they could do that could be worse with this is 2 numbers that aren't in standard form, and you'd have to put them both into standard form. That's the only thing they could do worse.
So, hope you're ready for that.
And we'll see you at the next chapter.
Absolutely. Can you ever see in the future? That was really cool.
Yeah, it's all about tea leaves.